and welcome to the highlights of match 11 of the Pakistan Junior League. Rawalpindi Raiders face off with Gujranwala Giants at the Lahore's Gaddafi Stadium.
Some bounce and steered away to that vacant region. That's gone for 4. Over pitch that time, and that's creamed through the covers for 4. Back-to-back boundaries. Looking to go over the top this time and does it quite comfortably. Just the one bounce and careens into the advertising hoarding. Nicely struck, and he's found the gap as well. Scampering to the left, and it's gone for 4 very quickly. Down the ground and strong. Beautifully struck. Just inside the advertising triangle. Slower bouncer. Just got away from a diving, sprawling fieldsman at short fine leg, and it's gone for 4 first ball. That is going to be out. Nicely done. That's how you do it. He says, if you can't catch him, I will.
Cuts away. That'll be boundary. It was too short. That's well done. He's just a bit touch unlucky that it's gone through the gap. But he followed the batter, saw him coming down and bowled a little quicker as well. Shot and picked up. Opportunity. Gone. Good placement. Good catch. That's going to go. It's with the pace of the ball. 4 runs.
That's away. That's going to be a boundary. I needed that. I needed that badly. Looking to go hard down the ground. Has he gone far enough? Yes, he has. 6 runs. That's how you do it, says the skipper.
Yeah, the length was short and it's cleared. Maximum, and that also brings in Habibullah's 50. First 50 for him, the captain leading the way. Inside edge. No pace on it whatsoever, and he has been dismissed. He's hit that in the air. It doesn't have any distance on it, and it's been taken.
Oh, he's going to get run out. Just pick the ball up, take your time. This is ridiculous. A ridiculous run, a ridiculous shout.
It's in the air, should be out. Yes, it is. It'll be very tough to hit Trump out of the park.
In the air again. The captain gets underneath it, should be taken, is taken. Slower ball from Trump.
Oh, wow. That's exactly what you need in the overs where you're trying to be hit on every ball. Yoked him out. Catch it is the call, and he's gone. So he wanted strike to hit it big, but again he finds Uzair Mumtaz. Oh, there it is. They don't bat 20 overs. What a comeback, and what game plan from the Gujranwala Giants. They've bowled so well, they've understood the surface, and they've done exactly according to the plan.
The target is pretty clear. 129 to win for the Giants. Can they score their first 2 points in the PJL?
Oh, a nice crisp shot. Hesitation in the ring between the wickets, and I think they picked up their first wicket. The Raiders are going to be very happy with that. Full toss, friendly full toss, and put away as it should have been done. Oh, that's pretty close. Yep, up goes that finger. Daniel in at number 4. Whips that away. Lovely shot, little half volley roundabout leg stump. It's exactly what you want as you arrive at the crease. Oh, that's good connection too. 1 bounce 4.
Chipped in the air. And they will beat their best power play with that boundary off the last delivery. And see there that Siobhan Daniel decides he's going to go all the way and does. Just misses our cameraman Tex, who gets his camera out the way.
That's a shot. He's made up his mind that this is probably the over where they can accelerate a bit, and they are. That's gone through the gap. Brilliant shot and a brilliant over for the Giants. 15 off it, 79 for 2. Catch it is the call, but he's hit it again so hard and little too wide, and the fielder has signaled a 6. Quick run, misfield. That's how you put pressure on the fielder inside the circle. 50 up for Siobhan Daniel. Second 50 in the PJL for him, and now he's just 5 runs away.
Put him down. It was in the air for a long time, but it wasn't a difficult catch. Oh, that's gone in the air. And taken.
A bit of a half volley, eased away into the cover region. Running that first one hard is the way you go about it. That's just one at this stage. Brings up 50. 36 deliveries. 3 4s and a couple of 6s as well. Nicely played. Mumtaz. Bat's gone one way, ball's gone the other. Only the ball's been caught. Oh, in the air again. Have they lost another one? I think they might have. Oh, they've thrown that one away. Majid, he's on his way now. Oh, he's got a low full toss. He's worked that away to a man of deep backwards square. They won't be able to come back with a second. Yes, they can. It's only going to be 1 run, though. I think that's going to be on his way.
I think it is fine. Given out.
Slow delivery. Got underneath that. He's picked it up, and he's picked it up for 4. That is a very, very nice shot indeed. Going over the top safely. And that's going to be it. The Giants have got up. They'll be very, very pleased with that. Big smiles in the dugout.